So today we are going to play Build a Boat for Treasure. I have played this game before, but it didn't end well. But now we are trying the best what we can. I have here my old amazing boat. Let's load it. Yeah, it doesn't look so good, but it is something. And now we are saving. I wanna buy some titanium blocks so we can make it stronger and yeah. Oh my days, I'm lagging. But yeah, let's start. Why it didn't launch? Am I lagging or some? Okay, I'm not lagging. Oh no, there's some other player. Okay, what is he even doing? No, we have to save my cannons so we could get the last level. Because that's so hard. No, 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 don't please break my cannons. Oh, shoot. Wait, no, don't shoot, don't shoot. No, our flag. It's gone. Oh. If you ask why I have seats here, and it is because if I can sit if I like. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No, 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 no. I don't have legs anymore. Of course we have to take the hardest things. No, 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 no. Oh, okay, we are cooked. No, 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 no. Well, it was really close. I don't want these anymore. I have them so much, so how much did they cost? You have to only drive 2 times so before we can get the titanium blocks. So let's go grinding. Oh, that is what is there under. We have to take this of our boat. I'm so good at this game. Driver. We have to focus right now. Those
Shut your fucking mouth!
Oh, here. Zigzag. Oh no. Oh shoot. No. We have to. Okay, we cannot get away from there. You wanna move, please? No, 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 no. I don't think. Yo! Why am I still alive? Wait, I am not touching. Basically, I'm not touching. Yes. Yo, this is so crazy. I thought this wouldn't be possible. They don't even shoot right now. No, we don't go there. No. What do you mean? Okay. Well, we have to only one game, and then we can get the obsidian block. Wait a minute. I remember some hack with this. What are you want? No, you don't shoot me. Get out of here. Okay, we buy that. We and now if we oh, this is working. Is this cheating? Basically, this is cheating. Wait, but I have a better idea. Hey, get out. No. Why can't you just get out? I don't want you here. This. And now we can like this. Okay, there can't be anything. Oh, why? Um. What do you think, guys? Are we going to make it this time? Probably not, but let's hope for the best. Get out. No. No, our cannon. Wait, it is something on here. No. Please, no. Oh. No. We aren't going to make it if it... Yes. Shit. What is this map? Oh no, no. Nobody wanted you here. Cannot get away. No. Yeah. Now we are cooked. Oh shoot. Is there anywhere safer place? No. Please. Oh, we can make it this. Like this. Okay. Now we are close to the waiting. I don't know which. We should make a pirate ship. So let's start it. Yeah. First, we should make the. Okay, it could be 4 blocks. 5, 6 blocks from the first. Yeah. First and it is good for now. Let's save it. Yes, no, we're saving it. You know, we want to load our amazing boat and make the last. Now let's go. No, not that guy again. No. No. I'm ready to shoot. Away. Okay, let's be tactical. No, I didn't mean this. Why didn't it break? Didn't it break? Wait, stop hitting me. Dumb rocks. Don't know how to fly. Not these guys again. No. You tend to be so good here.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Wait. Oh sh. Let's take the obsidian. better than nothing. I wanna make just in case. It don't. Let's save it. Let's launch. Oh no, hey. Didn't even do damage. No, those are safe. Oh, this is one of the easiest levels in the game. Oh no. No, 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 no. Zigzag. I'm being saved by these obsidian blocks. Oh hell no. Oh, we have to be fast. Oh, we are so close to the end. Well, this is... No, no. Okay, we can maybe make it. Maybe we can make it. Okay, we are probably going to make it. Let's hopefully not. What's this? Yes. No. I'm staying here. Yes. Yes. We're making it. First time. No way. First time ever. No, no, no. Okay, I fucking hate this game. I'm not going to play this game ever again. Fuck this game. Well, I think that's enough for today. And let's see on the another video.